We are on a trip, and today, well, let's look at here. What are you doing there, baby?
Fixing you a sandwich.
She's fixing me a sandwich. We got a little macaroni, some Cool Ranch Doritos, and what do we got there? Some turkey?
Turkey and ham, both.
Turkey and ham, both. We got the trucks out here, and today's a special day because what are we sharing? Ashley has a new motorcycle.
I'm so excited about it too. It's a fun motorcycle.
She has taken it on one trip already. We did it around our K River campground. We've got some beautiful trails and roads around there to ride ATVs, four-wheelers, and even Jeeps like this bad boy here. And we had some fun riding it, but this is technically its maiden voyage. This is the first time we've taken it on another trip, and we're gonna bring it out and take it on its first ride out of our property.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Oh my God.
You want to show it to him?
Does this look excited?
Yeah, it looks extremely excited. And there it is. And what do you got?
I've got a 2018 Kawasaki KLX 250.
And it's got the Digi Camo plastics. It's a great looking bike.
I blend in with the environment.
Oh yes. Blending in with the environment. Yes. You're looking good. You match it. Your shirt, your pants, your bike.
I want to blend.
You're good.
That way we can sneak up on stuff.
Part of the deal is, having a campground. You got to check out other campgrounds, right? You got to see what other people are doing, and it can always inspire you to have new ideas. So we decided to take this on a maiden voyage. We are out in Mena, Arkansas, and we found this campground here. What's the name of this campground? Wolf Pen ATV Park. And we're waiting for them to clean our little cabin there. There's no linens or nothing in it. It's just air conditioning. You bring your own linens. I think they call it like a tent cabin. So we'll show you that, and we're going to show you some trails. In the meantime, while we're waiting for them to open that and we're eating a sandwich, why don't you take a look at Ashley riding her dirt bike at our campground. What do we got? I see we got OSB walls, we got a table.
Got air conditioning.
You got air conditioning. And those two beds. Hey, it'll work.
Works for me.
Amen. Show them what you got there.
A blanket and pillows.
And this is how you do linens when you go camping in cabins like this. Bring your own. How do you feel about that little bike compared to your BMW you just had?
Oh my goodness, it's a world of difference on the weight. I feel so much more comfortable on the 250 than I did the 800. It sets probably about the same stance as far as height goes, but it's probably half the weight size. Weight
makes a big difference on these bikes, so that's kind of the deal on these things. You know, she had the BMW 800 GS. I had the Honda Africa Twin 1000. I am now on a KTM 500, and she is now on a Kawasaki KLX 250. So that is substantially different. I think my Honda weighed somewhere around 650 pounds. This bike weighs like 231. And that weight makes a huge difference when you're going on the trails, trying to throw it around in tight situations. You start to drop it, it's easier to catch and pick it up. I mean, really, look, watch this. The weight on something like this, I mean, you can just lean it all the way over and just pick it all the way up. I mean, it's literally no problem at all. You'd have to struggle to do that with my Africa Twin. And I think that's really the big deal, right, baby? Like, we've decided that, you know, if I was gonna cross country, like if I was gonna go from the East Coast to the West Coast off-road across country, like the Trans-America Trail, by the way, y'all, you click a link right here if you wanna see some of our cross-country riding. I would probably want that bigger bike, but for doing day trips like this,
yeah, smaller for the day trips and just scooting around like at the campground up in the mountains.
Yeah.
This is definitely better.
Yeah, it's just better. And you know, it's been a learning curve for us. We've been playing it kind of learning, trying different things. The off-road dual sport is different for us. We've both ridden across this country on big American V-twin baggers quite a bit, huh, babe? Yeah. And this is just a different feel. Totally different. The suspension is really what gets me. Just being able to float, you know, float across stuff. It's just so nice.
Yeah, and typically too, it's, you know, your mindset gets, you know, gravel, you need to slow down when you're on the baggers, and you know, don't put your feet down. On these things, it's like you can just rip right through it, put your feet down, you know, slide around in corners. So it's just a whole different feel.
Another nice thing about these bikes, baby, is that they're street legal, right? They both got tags on them, so you can still ride them like the adventure bikes anywhere you want to go. So it's, you know, all the benefits of a dirt bike and street legal as well.
Yes.
Well, should we take them on some trails around here?
That's exactly what we should.
You ready for that maiden voyage, baby?
Of course I am, sir.
Let's do it. We've made it to a lookout. the elevation is up here. That's pretty high.
It's pretty beautiful.
It is hot.
It is very hot.
Time to jump in that creek. It definitely looks refreshing. I'm gonna go around this corner here, see if it gets, maybe there's a nice little hole back here. It's a little more private, you know what I mean? Let's jump down here. Oh, that might be a hole over there. Bloody cold water. No?
Yes, no, it's super cold.
But beautiful. I mean, gorgeous. All the way around. We forgot to bring swimsuits. Beautiful little spot though. Look at all that stone. Beautiful creek. Where we at, baby?
Little Missouri Falls.
I just love this look on you.
Dirty.
I do, it's good. It means you're a down-to-earth woman, and that is my kind of woman. She said she wants to see a waterfall. I'm gonna show her a waterfall. And there it is, baby, a waterfall. Anything else you want?
I don't think that's the right one, babe.
Okay, we'll keep going. The waterfalls. I love days like this. This is exactly
So cool.
exactly the kind of days I enjoy. Cool is an understatement, baby.
It is absolutely beautiful.
Look at that way. Talk about a great place to ride.
This is awesome.
Days like today. Clean water. My hands not so much. I got the old throttle hand.
The water's a little more dirty now that you got in it.
Yeah.
Feels good, don't it?
It does feel good. You see how clean you are compared to me now?
Yes.
Honey? Oh, it's like we're made for each other. And we have made it back to camp. Cooking some burgers on the fire for a little dinner. We made it just before sunset.
Yes, I'm hungry. You hungry, baby?
Motorcycling off-road will make you hungry. There's no doubt about it.
Yeah, it's stringless.
But now here's the question. Well done or rare on your burger?
Done. You want them to be done.
You want it rare and juicy. Everybody knows. Y'all solve this for us right now. I mean, I'll cook it any way she wants, and she knows that. But y'all solve it for us right now. Well done or rare. Down in the comments below, we're taking a tally, just so once and for all you can know that you're supposed to eat your hamburgers rare.
This is why we can't share. We can't share burgers or steak.
That's not true. We shared a burger the other day, and what did I do?
We got it done. Because
And
that's
I
how
ate-
you're supposed to eat.
And I ate a horribly cooked burger just so I could share with you because you're the best.
Oh.
Even though you don't know how to eat hamburgers.
Oh gosh.
Just saying, look at that. That's gonna be well done. That bad boy will be rare. Y'all know that's the way to take it. All right, man. How many of you enjoyed this video? Let me know as well. And hey, listen, if you have not tried dual sporting off-roading, man, I've always been an on-road, on the open road, long distance, long haul rider. But this playing in the dirt is just beautiful.
It's so much fun. And you get to go down trails and see such different terrain.
Different scenery, different terrain, a whole different experience, but you still got the breeze on your knees.
was a lot of fun. Today was great.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed hanging out with Ashley on her first adventure on her new motorcycle. And me, really my first adventure on my new motorcycle too, my KTM 500. I loved it, by the way.
Yeah, he was smoking me.
Well, we weren't racing, okay, but yes, there's a lot more power there. It's
but
light.
my crawl's really good.
I did have a hard time at low speed.
Yeah.
Low speed, my bike just went to thrust and go.
I mean, mine just was crawling up them rocks. But then we would get on flat terrain and he'd be like, pew!
Except for the one dude.
Trying to keep up.
The one dude who nearly ran me off the road and then ran her off the road.
Literally,
on the ground.
Off the road and off my bike.
Like I had to hunt and track this man in the woods to catch up to him.
He didn't stop. I fell off my bike.
She fell and he just kept going on his side by side. All right, y'all. That's part of the game, I guess. I had fun today. I hope y'all had fun riding along with us. We saw some beautiful places. We did some swimming. We really hit 2 watering holes. We hit a waterfall. You want to see it? We got it.
It's so pretty.
We got the waterfall. We got to do a little swimming. I love riding the dirt to water holes.
Yeah, me too. And then cooling off for like an hour.
Next time we bring our swimsuits though.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh well. We don't have any luggage. Luggage on these bikes coming at you next. Ashley, Adam, we love you. We thank you for supporting us on this channel, and we hope y'all are having fun, and hopefully we inspired somebody to do something cool today.
Yes.
We'll see y'all tomorrow. You want to do a close? I'll let you do a close.
Buy the damn motorcycle.
Ooh, because life's short.
That's right.